Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the disk 100% usage in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be opening first the services window. So to do that, simply open your run window first and just make a press in the Windows R key altogether in your keyboard, and there type services.msc. Click on OK or enter, and then we will now be opening the services window. So once we're in here, we will be disabling and stopping two services. First one is Sysmain, so please select one service and then go to your keyboard, type S, and then you will be brought to the S section. Here we need to look for Sysmain option, this one. Now once you found it, please make a right click on that, and then all you need to do is just to click on this properties button here, and then we will be clicking for the startup type. Once you see that this is not disabled, all you need to do is just to select the disabled option and then click on this stop button here to make the service status stop. And then once you have done that, just please click on OK, click on apply, and then click on OK. And then after doing this one, we will proceed with the connected devices platform service. So with this service being selected, please type in your keyboard C, and then you will be brought to the connected devices platform service. Now once you found this one, please make a right click on that and then click on the properties option. And just like what we did with the Sysmain option, please do the same thing. Click on the startup type and then set the disabled option and select the or click the stop button for the services status to be stopped. Once you're done with this one, click on apply and then click on OK. And after doing this thing, just close this window, and then we will proceed with disabling the scheduled optimization. So please open the File Explorer. If you have your File Explorer in the taskbar or in the desktop, just simply make a tap on that and then it will be open. Or if you don't have, then you can now click on the Windows Search tab, and then you can just type the File Explorer, and then you will see the File Explorer option under the best match. Just make a click on that to open. So once you're in the File Explorer window, we will be going to this PC option here in the left pane, and then click on that. We will be seeing the devices and drives that we have. So please make a right click on your main drive or C drive and then click on the properties option. And then all you need to do is just to click on the tools option there, tools tab. And here in the optimize and defragment drive, all you need to do is just to click on optimize button. And you will be turning off or disabling the schedule optimization. So once you click on this one, another window will be coming up, and just click on the turn off or disable the schedule optimization. Once you have done this one, just please click on OK, and then we will now be updating the window. So to do that, simply open the settings. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then click on the settings option. Once you're in the settings, all you need to do is just to click on the Windows Update option. And here we will be checking for the updates available to install. So if you have pending downloads and updates, just please click on install all or download all. And then once you have done that, please enable this get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Once you're done with this one, just close this window. And then disable now the unwanted application. So please open again the settings. Please make a right click again in the Windows icon, click on settings option there. And here we need to go with apps. And once you're in here, we need to go with installed apps. And you will be seeing here all the applications that you have installed in your device. All you need to do is just to click on this three dot icon and click on uninstall if you identify the certain application unnecessary or unwanted. So just go over your installed applications here and then see and determine from those applications which are unwanted and unnecessary. And then the next thing you need to do is just to go to the apps again and click on the start app. And here you will now be disabling all the unwanted and unnecessary applications during startup. So apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start, minimized, or may only start a background task. So if you want to disable a certain application, all you need to do is just to click on this button here. And if you see that this is grayed out, that means it's off. And if you see that it is blue, then that means it is on. So once you're done with this one, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.